Setting up a fiat wallet on Crypto.com allows you to store and manage traditional currencies like USD, Euros, etc. alongside your cryptocurrencies. Here's how to set it up. Download the Crypto.com app. If you don't have it already, download the Crypto.com app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Log in or sign up. Open the app and either log into your existing account or create a new account by following the sign up process, which includes email verification and ID verification. Navigate to the Fiat Wallet section. Once logged in, go to the Accounts tab located at the bottom of the screen. In the Account section, look for Fiat Wallet or Fiat. Tap on it. Add a fiat currency. In the Fiat Wallet section, you will see the option to add or link a fiat currency. Select your preferred currency and follow the instructions to link your bank account. You may need to enter details like your bank name, account number, and routing number for bank transfers. Deposit fiat funds. Once your fiat wallet is linked, you can deposit funds into it. Tap on Deposit, choose your preferred deposit method, and follow the prompts to transfer funds into your fiat wallet.